You're familiar with the tyre marketplace. It's a disrupted, digitized and chaotic landscape. With all its complexities, having accurate information is critical, meaning data is king. Introducing OEC Tires, an easy-to-use, data-driven system that provides insights into customers and their tyre needs. By consolidating all the necessary data, OEC Tires provides intuitive answers in seconds, freeing up users to focus on sales and customer service. This also means OEC Tires is the only platform dealerships need to use. No switching programs or entering multiple passwords. Just log in and get to work on one standardized tyre portfolio. As a comprehensive solution, OEC Tires offers efficient ordering and centralized program management with the OEM, live transparent pricing, real-time data and program metrics, white labeling, and the opportunity to publish and export files in various formats. A competitive edge for your business by helping customers find the right tyre at the right price. As the leading tyre ordering platform, OEC Tires enhances the user experience and increases customer satisfaction and loyalty, enabling your department to grow its bottom line. Now is the time to future-proof your tyre business with OEC Tires, a platform designed to give you total control of your tyre program by connecting the entire supply chain from the manufacturer and dealership to the suppliers. Experience the new tyre ordering landscape with OEC Tires.